So real quick here, I'm doing this at work. I wanted to make a quick video about what I think is right now the best deal that you can get if you're into 3D printing or wanting to get into 3D printing. This is probably going to be your best deal. It's the SainSmart Creality Ender 3. Now, it's not the Pro. It's just a regular one. But they have it on Amazon for $169.99 right now, which is marked down $70. So it's sub $200. SainSmart, now they don't own the Creality model, but they repackage it. And what I really like about it is SainSmart put some bells and whistles into their firmware and fix it up kind of nice. So this is one of the printers I like. Right now at 9:21 a.m. Central Time, they've only sold about 4% of them. But 30% off. It's not going to last long. It's supposed to end in 7 hours, 48 minutes from now. I don't see it making it that long. SainSmart makes some great 3D printers. They rebrand some great 3D printers. And I've got a couple of these myself, and I really, really, really like them. And I'm actually thinking about, if I can come up with the cash, getting another one of these, because this price right here, you just can't beat. So, link will be below in the description. So I want to thank everybody for watching this, and get yourself out there and get yourself a SainSmart Creality Ender 3.